Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make the best of my favorite condiments ever, Yuzu Kosho, which is so unique, powerful, and heavenly aromatic. I'll show you the tips of being long-lasting with beautiful appearance and fragrance, so please watch it till the end. In my channel, you will find a lot of popular Japanese dishes with many realistic hands-on tips and secret recipes that you will not find it anywhere else in every single clip. Please subscribe to the channel before start. You will not be disappointed. So, let's get started. Wash clean and wipe off with fresh paper towels. Then dry them completely until use. I prepared Thai chili pepper. The one that is 50 to 100 K Scoville is appropriate. At first, put on a glove. Cut off the K leaves and make a spore. Remove seed with a spoon in order to give it smooth texture. Then chop them up. Or you can use a grinder as well. Transfer to a mortar and grind with a pestle finely. Grate yuzu zest finely. Try not to get any of the white part underneath the skin. Add yuzu zest into ground chili and add kosho salt. Then grind or process thoroughly until it turns into a paste-like smooth paste. Add 1 teaspoon of yuzu juice. When you store in a jar, pat it down to let the air out in order to keep overwhelming beautiful color and fragrance. Traditionally, kosho salt will be more than 20% of total amount of yuzu zest and green pepper, which is the ideal salt percentage, but you can find your own ratio. You can taste it now, of course, but it's good to cure it for a week. How did you like it? Normally, we make it with unripe green yuzu at the end of summer, but by using the yellow kind adds brilliant color and mild acidity. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!